Natural disasters and attacks occur when we least expect. They are events that we can't predict, so the response needs to be quick and targeted. Every second counts to save lives. Emergency workers and disaster resilience powered by the InfraVerse Catalyst are on the way. Arriving on site, drones are quickly configured by the InfraVerse solution, using its AI, digital twin, and XR features to be positioned at the best place and provide connectivity while trying to find missing people. In minutes, each drone scans the environment and streams 3D spatial data back to a digital twin, viewed in real time via XR, providing valuable information to the emergency workers. Engineers and rescue teams instantly identify blind spots, coverage gaps, and even track mobile phone signals from those missing. Connectivity is seamlessly restored with drones connected by satellite. Teams on the ground receive live updates through real-time digital twin dashboards, while also identifying missing persons. Powered by InfraVerse, this is how the future responds: fast, smart, and life-saving.